All right, it is your night in, and tonight we're going to be making a salmon bowl. All right, so to get started, we are going to be using some salmon, and we're going to take that salmon and we're going to cube it. We're going to season the salmon with some onion powder, garlic powder, some complete seasoning, and some oregano, and some spice exchange seasoning. And then we're going to add about a tablespoon of mayonnaise, some chili garlic sauce. And we're going to give that a good mix, and then we're just going to sit that to the side for a moment. Now we're going to take some chickpeas, some people call them garbanzo beans, and we're going to season these beans on a sheet pan. We're going to use some olive oil. I use pesto olive oil, some Sazon seasoning, Italian seasoning, Tony Chachere's, and some more onion powder. Then we're going to mix that up. Be very careful and use a spoon because before you place them in the oven, they are very soft and delicate. I'm going to use a red onion. Some people say purple onion. And I'm going to slice the onion into moons. I also have these mini cucumbers. You can use a regular size cucumbers, but these were cute, so I bought them. And we're going to slice those up into moons as well. Now to that same sheet pan, we're going to take it out. We're going to let the beans sit in the oven for about 15 minutes. We're going to add that cubed salmon and place it into the oven for 25 minutes, still on 365 degrees. We're going to take our avocado here. We're going to scoop it out and we're going to slice the avocado into moons as well. Now for plating, you can make whatever type of rice you desire. I'm putting some Sriracha and some Sriracha mayonnaise on top of the rice. And then this is just the plating portion. We're adding the salmon, the beans, the onions. I did cook off camera on the stove. Just kind of, toss them in the pan with a little oil and let them get nice and soft. I'm going to take some everything bagel seasoning and sprinkle that on top of the cucumbers, and then some oregano on top of the avocado. And here is the plating. It came out really well. And then, you can go ahead and make yourself a nice little drink with this, and there is your dinner on your night in.
Get with the liquid. Get with the liquid. Lick like lick liquid.